Understanding Economic Fundamentals. This presentation explores the foundational concepts of economics, delving into how societies address scarcity and allocate resources to meet human needs. Introduction. The fundamental economic problem, scarcity. At the heart of all economic study is the concept of scarcity. Resources, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship are limited, while human wants are virtually unlimited. This fundamental imbalance forces societies to make choices about what to produce, how to produce it, and for whom. Addressing scarcity, the price mechanism demands supply equilibrium, consumers' willingness and ability to purchase goods and services at various prices. Producers' willingness and ability to offer goods and services at various prices. The point where demand and supply intersect, determining the market price and quantity. The price mechanism acts as an invisible hand, guiding economic decisions. Prices signal information, provide incentives, and distribute income within an economy. Resource allocation, how choices are made. In a market economy, the price mechanism plays a crucial role in allocating resources. When demand for a product increases, its price tends to rise, signaling to producers that more resources should be directed towards its production. Conversely, a fall in demand and price signals the opposite. What to produce, how to produce it, for whom to produce? These core economic questions are answered through the interplay of buyers and sellers in various markets, from labor to raw materials. Understanding the PPC efficiency growth trade-offs, points on the curve signify that resources are fully utilized without waste. An outward shift of the PPC indicates economic growth due to more resources or better technology. Moving along the curve means giving up some of one good to produce more of another. The PPC is a powerful tool for understanding scarcity, trade-offs, and economic efficiency within an economy. Opportunity cost. The real cost of choice. Every economic decision comes with an opportunity cost. This is the value of the next best alternative that must be foregone when a choice is made. There is no such thing as a free lunch. This principle applies to individuals, businesses, and governments. For example, the opportunity cost of attending university might be the income you could have earned if you had worked instead. Examples of opportunity cost: consumer choice, business investment, government spending. Choosing an apple means giving up a banana. Investing in new machinery means not investing in marketing. Building a new hospital might mean not building a new road. Understanding opportunity cost helps us make more informed and efficient decisions by considering the full implications of our choices. Key takeaways: summary of economic foundation. Scarcity, the fundamental problem driving economic choices. Price mechanism guides resource allocation through supply and demand. Production possibility curve illustrates trade-offs and efficiency in production. Opportunity cost, the value of the next best alternative foregone when a choice is made. Further exploration: think and discuss. How does technology affect the production possibility curve? Can a country completely eliminate scarcity? These foundational concepts provide a robust framework for understanding complex economic phenomena and the choices societies face in an ever-changing world.